Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken and veggie stir fry noodles that is so good. Seriously you guys, there's no need to settle for any greasy unhealthy takeout because this recipe beats takeout any day. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start by marinating some chicken. I'm using chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. Into the chicken, I'm adding soy sauce. We're also adding rice wine vinegar, some honey to sweeten things up. Then we're going to add garlic and onion powder, freshly chopped parsley for additional flavor. Then we're adding cornstarch, then season with salt and pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together, get everything very well incorporated. Then we're going to cover with saran wrap and let this marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. We want the chicken to soak in all of those delicious flavors. Next, we're going to heat up some oil over high heat. Once the oil is hot, go ahead and add your marinated chicken, and if you're left with any excess marinade, make sure you throw that out, okay guys? Alright, so we're going to cook the meat on high heat. Make sure you keep an eye and stir continuously, that way it doesn't burn. You want to keep cooking until it develops a nice golden brown color, just like this. This looks so yummy. Next, you're going to transfer onto a plate and set aside for later. Next up, in the same pan, we're going to heat up a little more olive oil. Go ahead and add some minced garlic and ginger, then cook these for about a minute until they get nice and fragrant. Be careful not to burn them, okay? Next, we're adding some vegetables, so I have some broccoli and carrot going in. Season your veggies with salt and pepper, then you're going to switch back to high heat and cook the veggies until they soften just a little bit, okay? Next, go ahead and add your chicken, and I went ahead and cooked some noodles. I'm using ramen noodles. You can use your favorite kind. If you decide to use ramen, make sure you throw out the seasonings they come with, okay? Also guys, make sure you don't overcook the noodles, otherwise the stir fry will be very mushy. Next, we're going to add some oyster sauce, soy sauce. We're also adding chicken broth and some brown sugar. Go ahead and stir everything together. Make sure you get the sauces very well mixed in with the noodles. Then continue to cook this on high heat for about 2 minutes. Finally, we're finishing with some chopped scallions. I also added toasted sesame oil to add a little smoky flavor to the stir fry. Give it one last mix, and that's it guys. It is ready to serve. You guys, this is some hot dinner goodness. Look at all that. I garnished with some extra scallions and sesame seeds. This stir fry is so good. It is way better than takeout. You know exactly what goes into your food. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. Please send me photos on Instagram and Facebook when you make this recipe. And please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos because I have many more delicious recipes to come. Bye!